I thought na it's only the newlywed who will be surprised or who will be given surprises. Pero mas na-surprise man ko. But actually, proposition to speak on occasions like this is an honor. It's just that personally, I don't feel that I am the appropriate person to give advices on newlywed. Kay, coming from a failed marriage myself, no, I don't know if pwede ba mahimong modelo, no? Ang usa ka tao o labang kaping authority to talk on something which I failed. But then siguro, I just hope that the lessons that I learned on my failed marriage will at least somehow guide you to make yours successful. Okay? Animan doon siya. Marriage is the hardest journey that a couple could embark on in this lifetime. Muna ang pinakalisod nga so, sa galing ng journey sa Binisaya. Muna ang pinakalisod na itong nga biyahe o pinakalisod na itong nga dalan na itong subayon in this lifetime. Because you are two different individuals coming from different families with different orientation. Nagkita mo dagko na. But ang ako lang ika-advise sa inyo is that, or tip lang, no? Marriage is not just a lifetime commitment. Ingon sila, it's a lifetime commitment. Yes, it is. But it's not just like that. It is a lifetime adjustment. No? Every day is a revelation. Just when you thought that you know your partner so well already, you would be surprised to realize that there are a lot of things that you still have to discover from day to day. Pag matay mo pagkaugma, ma-shock na lang ka, oy, inulian ni siya. Okay? So, it's not all, well, it's all bed of roses. Inuod na siya. But then, you just have to remember that a rose is not a rose without its thorns. So, bed of roses siya, pero na-adyo mga ikutan ka, tunok along the way. But what is important is that you make each other a priority. If you have a problem, do not include other people. Not even your parents, not even siblings, because it is your life and yours alone to live. The moment you let other people get inside that space, the trouble will become bigger. Okay? Kamurag yung duha ang pwede musulbad sa inyong problema. And be careful with whom you share your problems with. Because you do not know the intention of the people na inyong dinashare. So, those are the things that I have learned along the way, which I hope you would also get lessons from. And as your second parent, do not ever hesitate to call on me for advice. Kaya importante sa for those who do not know, si Reyna is ako ang inaanak sa bunyag. No? And my friendship with her father, si Ray, murag 30 na ni kadekada nag-amigo. High school pa ni Ray. Barkada na ni kaayo. And he knows nga, even if dili ni permi magkita, it is no longer the same na ka-intense ang friendship the way it was before. But each of us knows na anytime we can rely on each other. Na kung namin mga kining panginahanglan, kabalo si Ray, isa na niya ka-message sa ako, isa ka chat, isa ka text, as long as I am available and as long as kaya na ako, naaragyo ko. And that goes the same with you. I will always be your second parent, and I hope you will succeed where I have failed. Best wishes and congratulations.